code rate of an n comma k code is defined as the ratio k by n. So channel encoder converts k bits, which are called information bits, into the n bits, which are called code bits. So channel encoder adds extra bits to the k bits to convert it into the code bits. These extra bits are called parity bits or redundant bits, which are used to detect or correct the errors at the decoder side. So k is always less than n. So what is this k by n? So k is information, n is code bits. So in code bits, how much information is there, that is reflected by the code rate. So same is written here, that code word reflects the fraction of the code word reflects the fraction of the code word, that is percentage of the code words, that is percentage of n, that consists of the information symbols, that is k. So for example, if k is equal to 4 and n equal to 7, then in the percentage form, 4 by 7, that means in 7 symbols of the code word, in 7 bits of the code word, there are 4 bits of the information, which if you calculate the percentage, you will get it around 57%. So 57% of information is there in that code word, and remaining information is redundant information or parity information, which is used at the detector side to detect or correct the error. Now, what could be the code rate value? So you know that k is less than n. So code rate is always less than 1. If k equal to n, k by n equal to 1, k by n equal to 1, that means channel encoder is not doing any work, it is converting k to k, because k by n equal to 1. That means it is not adding any extra bits. So that means that it is nothing but no coding is done at all. So it does not happen, because we are using channel encoder to add the extra bits. So k is always less than n. So if k by n or k by n is very small, that means this, if k by n is very small, that means k is very small and n is very high. So that means you are adding more parity bits than the information bits. So information is very small and the code word length is very high, that means parity bits are very high, that means you are adding more redundant information. So that is very good for detecting and correcting the errors at the receiver side. But it has disadvantage that less information is transmitted over the channel. So same is written here, if k by n is very less, then it contains more redundant bits. This is good for detection and correction of more number of errors, but it reduces actual rate of transmission of information, because you are sending too much redundant bits, but information rate transmission reduces. So this is also not good. So k by n should be the value which connects between that it should correct the errors as well as it should transmit more information.